Hello, all. A warm welcome to Abode Diaries. For the rented house, we usually don't have so many options to decorate. But that doesn't mean that we can't enjoy decorating our space or we can't celebrate any occasions the way it is supposed to be. So, I'm showing some of the simple ideas and elements that can spread festive vibes all over your place. And by the way, these days the market is full of renter friendly items, so no more tension for the decorations. I am starting from the entrance first. For this, I have chosen a beautiful toran. With the help of these sticky hooks, I will hang this toran over here. This is a must, an ideal piece to decorate the main door of our home. Also hanging the auspicious swastik signs attached with lots of flowers on both the hooks. On the floor, instead of a traditional rangoli, I am placing this beautiful urli. As it looks quite small here, hence adding another element also, this artificial marigold garland. I was trying to keep it in the circle, which was not looking beautiful. Then my squirrel suggested to give this a heart shape, and it looks really pretty now. And now, further decorating it by putting these tea light candles in it. Moving ahead to the living room, which has a lot of options and scopes also to decorate with so many things. And in our living area, especially, there is a lot of scope. Changing the cushion covers as per the occasion is a must and a basic thing. So, I will begin with the center table first. There are so many ways to decorate the coffee table. However, for a festive touch, especially for Diwali, we all usually place a traditional decor piece called urli. Instead of filling it with water and floating the flower petals and candles, I am simply filling it with these artificial flowers this time. This can be the safest option also to avoid any water spills around the sitting area. In these metal diyas, I am putting the battery operated candles, again a safe option. We can definitely use the tea light candles or mitti diyas also. However, they can be placed on the floor to avoid any mishaps. As these easy and simple decorative items are already available in the market, so we can use them wisely. Especially when we have kids at home, we have to think about it. And now I proceed towards the dining table. I usually keep covering my dining table all the time as it has a glass top. And that's why, I personally like the wooden dining table. So, for the festive occasion, today I am giving it a different look by laying the table runner. Not doing much as this place is for serving food also, so just putting a flower pot with some added Diwali touch. I mean, we can decorate it with some flowers or artificial ones. I am beautifying it a little bit more by placing these pretty candle holders. And again taking the help of these battery operated diyas. For decorating this balcony door, I am planning to use a lot of flower hangings and some other hanging items. So I am using another pair of these swastik signs and hanging them on this glass door. With the help of these heavy duty tapes, I am sticking these decorative items over here. On both the side doors, hanging these garlands vertically so that I can cover this white balcony door to decorate it. I will also hang the colorful lights over here, but not now. I will get that done afterwards. Lighting is pending inside and outside the balcony. Once that is done, I will show you the final look for sure. I noticed this center area of my living room is a little empty, so I thought of adding some more elements in the center also to fill this gap. I have these pretty rangoli pieces that I am decorating over here. It's quite easy and fun to decorate this ready-made rangoli. This charming pair of peacocks is not a part of this rangoli. I got it from India when I went to Vrindavan. And now finally today I could flaunt them here. You know, people generally make the peacock design with the rangoli colors, and I have directly put them over here. Anyway, the fact is that I found my rangoli very simple and pretty. And now it's my daughter's turn to decorate her favorite cycle. She was waiting for it very patiently and requested me to decorate it by herself only. And I also allowed her to do so. Here my squirrel is further decorating this rangoli with the help of these diyas. At the entrance also I am replacing these tea light candles with these battery ones. I will surely light up the mitti diyas also on the day of Diwali. I hope you like these simple and minimalistic ideas to decorate your home this Diwali. May this festival of lights bring positivity and prosperity into your lives. With that, it's a wrap. I will see you in my next video. Please like this video and subscribe to Abode Diaries. Bye.